Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Today we are going to discuss how to retrieve desired columns out of total columns. This is the sample data which we are going to test. Here we are going to retrieve from A column to D column, which is from date column to quantity column. Now let's see the process. Here I am using the Google Sheet connector. Under the Google Sheet connector operation, in import operation, I am going to add from A column, which is here, and D column here, and then I used to add the runtime name and the connection, set connection name, connection, and then spreadsheet ID, everything. And I used to click on next. Once I do all these things, we are going to test the records now. As you see, we are going to get the data in the JSON format. You can able to see we got the data from date to quantity column. Out of all the records, out of all the columns, we got from A column to D column only, and you can able to see this. Now if you want the data in other format like XML format or uh, just flat file format, you can able to use map shape, and then you can convert it to your desired format. So the main thing is here in the Google Sheet connector operation, under import operation, here you are going to add column name, column headers like A column to D column, or your desired column, which column you want to retrieve the data. Thank you.